Hello, we're looking at Hecla today. HL's the ticker. And if you start from this range that we defined by the low of February 13th, 2024, and the high of October 22nd, 2024, the range is 4.35. And if you were to add that range on top of this high here, you'd come up with this level, 1203, which is 4.35 points above this high. So all we're really doing with the square is we're putting boxes on top of boxes, applying that same price range and assuming that it'll be useful into the future. In fact, it was. This was a low. And if you can see here, it was close to a high. This was sort of a low. So, this 50% division of the box, the square, was support. This was resistance. And ultimately, it topped at one of these 7 squares up in price. So if you count the boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that was the top. And the other point you would make is that see how the divisions also are helpful on the way down. So as long as you keep making lower highs at these divisions, you see here and here, you're still in a downtrend. In order to break this downtrend, you're going to have to close above one of these divisions. This one gave you support. It's now offering resistance at 1637. When it closes above that, you're starting a new uptrend. And hopefully it'll happen. We started this major cycle move up in sync with the halfway point on the square. We're hoping that when you complete the square toward the end of July, that you will start a big move up. That may or may not happen. Like I said, the market is always right. So unless you break out above 1637, you're still in a downtrend. So I hope this has been helpful. I just wanted to give you a quick and dirty example of Gann applied to Hecla, HL. We do this for all stocks, anything. If you become a client and you're interested in some other stock, you tell me what it is and we'll do some Gann analysis on it. And note that this is just one chart. Normally I do 20 or 30 charts on any stock, index, Forex, whatever. We do a complete analysis. This is just one chart of many that we look at. Good luck in your trading. Thanks for your time.